Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious strawberry chocolate bark. First, gather your ingredients. About 12 ounces of good quality chocolate, either dark or milk, and 1 cup of fresh strawberries. Make sure your strawberries are washed, thoroughly dried, and thinly sliced. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, which will make removing the bark much easier later on. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Next, it's time to melt your chocolate. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt, or microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Be careful not to overheat it. Once your chocolate is smooth and glossy, pour it onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Use an offset spatula or the back of a spoon to spread it into an even layer, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Aim for a consistent thickness for even setting. Now for the best part, adding the strawberries. While the chocolate is still wet, carefully arrange your thinly sliced strawberries over the entire surface. You can be as creative as you like with the pattern. Gently press each strawberry slice into the chocolate to ensure it adheres well. Once all your strawberries are placed, transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator. Let it chill for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm and snaps easily. After chilling, remove the bark from the refrigerator. It should be firm enough to easily lift off the parchment paper. Now, simply break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. This is part of the fun of making bark. Store your delicious strawberry chocolate bark in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. It makes a fantastic treat or a thoughtful homemade gift. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.